The parrot has an American accent, so...
What year was this done?
This was done in 2000.
I've been working for several years to train my parrots to understand and use spoken language appropriately. Due to their ability to communicate through meaningful speech, I discovered by accident that they seemed able to read thoughts. They would often describe vocally what I was looking at, reading, or even thinking that they could not have known of any other way. I had never done anything to try to train or reward them for this. They just seemed to do it as part of their expression of our bond. This was happening so frequently that Rupert Sheldrake and I decided to perform these controlled experiments to study it.
Amy's
I'm
now
gonna go show you
taking
these
one
pictures,
camera
okay?
downstairs.
I want you to tell me.
Hey, Mama! Mom! I want to show you.
That's the parrot talking. From now on, all the words you hear are the parrot.
Take a flow. See you later. I'm gonna go take some flow. Yeah, you're bothering it. Go pick some flower. Yeah, man, go pick some flower. My pretty mug.
Answering machine noise.
So cool. Push your head out.
This is obscure. It's only, we'll have a close-up and you'll see what's going on.
Careful. Push your head out.
There's a guy's head out of the cab window. And that's what Amy was actually looking at when the parrot said, you put your head out.
Oh, can I have your hug? Can I give you a hug? Your hug?
Got you.
Can I have a kiss?
Okay.